What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We just got back from autocross this weekend. It was an amazing time. I couldn't have asked for anything better. No, I'm not doing another headlight review. It's not gonna happen. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Cameron. I hope you are all having a fantastic day. And yeah, it's true. We are doing another headlight review. Don't hate me, please. Please don't hate me. These ones are ones that everyone wants. I promise that y'all want them. I just keep I just keep having pairs of headlights that fall into my lap. I almost just fell over. Wow. I just keep getting headlights out of nowhere. I went and did some work for my boss that I used to work for, and he said that if I install a new set of headlights on his car, that I can have his old ones. Well, I installed these ones for him, and I put them on at the beginning of winter. And he gave them to me at the end of winter. His car sat in a shop all winter. They're brand new. Now, I absolutely love the ones that I have on there. These are the dark housing. That's what I'm looking for. These are the dark housing clear lens from eBay. They look absolutely killer. They're great. They were $60. Those ones are not $60. They're $128. But they have a daytime running light in them. Look at that. Whoa, fancy. And I am going to install them because I have nothing else to do. So, yeah. Don't hate me. Now, I guess it's not a problem that I'm having, but a thing that is kind of making this difficult is I have a remote start on my car. And whenever my car turns on, it flips the fuse that I want to use to run the lights. Well, I had a pair of Demon Eyes. If you saw the first headlight review, I've done way too many of these. If you saw the first one, you knew that I had Demon Eyes hooked up to the switch fuse. That's what I'm looking for. But they changed it. They changed it all, and it is now connected directly to the ignition. I don't know how they wired it. So we're gonna use that one. The struggle of letting other people mod your car. I'm just gonna take you. You're gonna come over here. And we're gonna take you. Yeah, don't scratch my car. We're gonna come over here. And then we're gonna come over here. Oh, hello, seat. That's sketchy. We gotta crawl in there. Okay, I pulled the car outside so I could actually open the door and not smash it against anything. But if we come underneath here, you won't be able to see it. It's dark, maybe. There's some wires or something up there, and there's some neon and it glows. I gotta pull those wires out, and I gotta feed them back through the grommet in the engine bay, because that is what controls these headlights. So, I'm not gonna bore you with that. I'm just gonna get it and feed it through. So, give me a second. Alright, wires are done. Come around to the front. And I lost my grommet. One that goes right there. It's all gone. I don't know where it went. That's sad. Okay, let's pull the wire through. I don't know what they did to my wiring, but there's something very different than what I did in here. So, we're gonna redo it. Okay, so I fixed a section of the wiring that they did there. They messed everything. So we gotta take these ones out now. We're gonna get them cleaned up. We're gonna put them in storage, and we're gonna get these ones installed right now. It's gonna be great. Let's jump to it. I will be the first to admit, I am not a huge fan of the chrome housing compared to the black housing. But, with that being said, I have something that we're going to do to these headlights. And that's why they're being temporarily installed. This will be at a later time. It's going to be great. Because no. Ooh, but there's LED though. I would like to applaud Ford how easy it is to take a headlight out. Clip there, clip there. I would like to immediately retract that applause because of these stupid circles. Gosh, I hate these stupid things. I gotta throw these in there and stay. Then put that thing in the car. The other one's already installed. Be right back. Well, that one went together in probably like 10 seconds. The other one was a huge fight. Huge fight, but we got it. Ground wire's connected there. This ground wire is going to be connected there. We're going to wire the power together, and these things will be good to go. Man, this chrome's going to be different, but we'll see how she looks.
Why me? Why, scissors? Why did you have to do me dirty like that?
I also can't find my keys. Crap. I am apparently so tired. I'm a freaking moron. Really? You gotta do that right now? Alright, let's finish this up. Alright, in the garage, out of the sun so we can actually see them. They don't look too bad. This whole bar right here is lit up on both sides. I am noticing that that far side is kind of brighter. Don't know what to do with that. It could be just electrical connection or whatever. So I'll get that fixed, no big deal. But one problem I am noticing, actually we'll go to this side. This one, perfectly flush. No issues whatsoever. This side, not flush at all. Could be my car. I really don't think it is because the other ones fit fine. But these ones aren't bad for what they are. So my thoughts on these are, they're good. They're not bad. Changed the look up a lot, but $128. I would get the black housing with the clear corner markers. So I'm gonna throw on my headlights real quick. There are the side markers. Nice and bright, light really comes through, reflects off nicely. And the headlights, which are very, very bright. People already flash their brights at me enough when I'm driving. These ones are gonna make it even worse because that light is so uber duper reflective. It's gonna be great. We are going to remove these because it stays over. I really hope these come off easy. Okay, be right back. Mailbox lettering, you did me well. See ya. Okay, last thing for today is I have one of these. I've had this thing laying around in my bedroom for the longest time. So it is officially time to take you get the freak out of here. We're gonna put a new one on. I said to take that little nut off. That wasn't even tight. New one. Check that out. Empty new one. Alright. Now this is the part of the video that I know most of you guys are waiting for, is me announcing the giveaway that I said in the title. At 10,000 subscribers, I will be giving away a set of headlights for a 99 to 2004 Mustang. Now whether it be a set like this, or a set like this, directly off my car, that is completely up to you guys. I will be posting on Instagram every single time about a video with a count of how many subscribers I have up until that 10,000 mark, to keep reminding you guys to share these videos and to make sure that all of your friends know about them. Now with this giveaway, I know that a lot of you might live out of the United States, which I'm sorry to announce, but I won't be able to deliver to there. This is for the lower 48 United States. I will ship these to you free of charge. Even if you don't own a 99 to 04 Mustang, you can win a set of headlights. All you gotta do is be subscribed, make sure that you're an active subscriber, and that you follow me on Instagram. Now my Instagram is camco2313, like it says on the screen now. Be sure that you are commenting on the pictures, that you are very active, because I will be looking for those who are active to be able to be put into the giveaway. You just win a free set of headlights, whether it be $128 ones or whatever those are called, eBay ones for $60. It's completely up to you. Now guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and comment. I read every single one of your comments, and I appreciate every single like that I get. I'm glad we could take a look at these kind of headlights. I can see a lot of people asking about these all over the Facebook groups that I'm in and all over Instagram for those who still own these. And like I said, you have a chance to win these lights. Again, thank you all for tuning in. My name is Cameron. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a good one.